Okay, and we're back. Time to get jamming. Get some gloves on here. Okay, supply line broke. Like that. Nice. Shit off of here. Hot, man. Number 2. Hack job, man. It's a shame too. This place is a beautiful house. I'll show you pictures. Turn the water meter on at the end. I'll show you pictures of the place. Oh, baby. A clean workspace is a happy workspace. Booger. Grape. I'm gonna call grapes when they drip down and hang. So I'm gonna burn the last of them grapes off. Get it nice and clean and prepared. Grapes go to boogers. Some guys call them boogers. I never call them boogers because you're talking to the customer. They got boogers in the pipe. It's like I think you're picking your nose or something. Here's a booger. Shit off of here. I'm gonna get tip hot now and scorch the shit out of the ceiling. Look at that, he's got a whole void there. You can take. You see that? See all that copper right there? And clean it up. You have a better view. Look at this. Get rid of these fuckers. These escutcheons. Drywaller's mudded over them. That's alright. I got more. Get some new ones on there. Hook the customer up. It is. There it is on this side, look. Most of the time that's caused from heating up the flux too much. That's always what that is. Somebody got crazy with their torch, got the wrong size tip, it's too big. Something like that, man. That's always the case. The flux is too hot, got dirty, scorched, burnt, made a dirty spot on the pipe. Ain't never gonna take, I don't care how much you try. Best thing to do in that scenario is stop, 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 stop. Clean it up and start again. Fucking ham and egger. Yeah, so see this, I put this 3-inch double wall in there. It's got a 4-inch protruding through, and that's to give it 1 inch of combustible clearance all the way around it. It's what they're trying to achieve there with this 4-inch or 5-inch. I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't care. I met a lot of good tin benders in my time. I mean, I know a lot of them, but this guy's a fucking hack. Who did this? I know a lot of good HVAC guys. So I have to be careful. I'm standing on this platform. Watch what the fuck I'm doing. Get these nice and